Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christie's Lead Services, a small SEO company in Abington. It's just me. Came across your website, thought I'd shoot you the screencast video just showing you how you're doing online, give you some insight into how things work. If at the end of the video you'd like to learn anything more about Christie's Leads, please reach out via phone, email, or text, and if not, no harm, no foul. So I'm going to start on the front page of your website, which is the most powerful. So you guys have a lot of call to actions here. A click to call and a click to email and a free estimate. Those are really important. Good job on those. Generally, Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content on the front page. It gives you relevance. Within those 1,500 words of content that's authoritative and flows, I put about 12 highly searched keyword phrases. So phrases that people are searching for, like maybe gutters, Quakertown, roof repair, Montgomery County, roofing, Bucks County. We have programs that allow us to see that, and if those words are within your front page, you can be found for those. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is our citations in the map pack. So I did a Google search for roofers, Quakertown, PA. I could have done roofing services. There's lots of different ways people search for the same thing on Google. And one of the ways to optimize your website is to figure out what's the most popular ways people are searching for you, and then appear first for those keywords. So you have your ads, which are good, and then you do have your map pack here, which I see you guys are in, which is great. You probably get a lot of clicks from there. In order to get a little higher, you want to just have some more citations. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories like Angie's, Yelp, and Yellow Pages. But you guys are in a great spot, and if I were to broaden this to like maybe Bucks County or Montgomery County, the map pack does change. So again, it's just keeping up with those citations and having those right keywords in your content. So if you were in the map pack top spot and the top spot underneath it organically, statistically speaking, you get about 70% of the search volume to this page, which is a good amount. In order to get here to the top spot organically, that first business, you want to have strong backlinks and referring domains. A backlink is just another website that links back to yours. It could be a blog about roofing, and someone mentions your company's website. That's the backlink, and the blog is a referring domain. So this is a tool I use called Ahrefs. This is your company. So your power and trustees go up to 100 for whatever reason that's not showing, but your power isn't very high there. You have 7 backlinks for referring domains and not ranking for any keywords, which means there's probably none in your content that's really helping. Let me show you a competitor that this company was the first organically. Their power and trust, which isn't even that competitive, wouldn't take too much to outrank them. Their keywords and their traffic. Let me show you some of the keywords I am talking about. Okay, so this is the kind of keywords I'm talking about. Roofers, Quakertown, PA. It has buyer intent because someone wants a roof or needs a roofer, lives here. 70 searches a month. The difficulty is 2, which is low. This goes all the way to 100, so it's easier in terms of time and money to rank. And they are in spot 2. Roofing, Lansdale, PA, 70 searches a month, 0 difficulty. Roofers, Lansdale, PA, 70 searches, 0 difficulty. Quakertown Roofing, 20 searches, 70. So all those searches that you could put into your content and get ranked for. 40 searches for Abington, Pottstown, 70, Bethlehem, 150, 0 KDs. Those are easy to rank for. And they're not even in spots. They should be. Northampton, 90. So they have the words. They just don't have the power behind them. But I'll go through slowly just so you can kind of look at some other words. These all have search volume, and they help you get more visibility on Google so people have buyer intent when they search for you. Lots of them there. So I hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to learn anything more about Christie's Leads, please reach out. My door is always open. I'd love to have a short 10-minute conversation with you. See if we're a good fit. I do work within budgets and tailor plans specifically for each business, and I do understand if the timing's not right. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.